Hey everybody, welcome to Bummer's Instapot. Got here today, got 4 real nice chicken breasts. They're completely frozen. Tried to de-thaw them out a little bit, maybe a little bit de-thawed, but pretty much they're hard as a brick. But we're gonna put these in an Instapot and cook them up tonight. Simple, easy recipe, easy ingredients. We're gonna use some olive oil spray and some rib rack spice rub for their chicken. Put on the outside of them. You can use some barbecue sauce on it if you want in this pot, or put it on afterwards. I'm gonna go ahead and do it while I got the chicken in there. And 1 cup of chicken broth. Now let's first go ahead and get these sprayed down and get the rub put on them. And this is a delicious rub too. If I can find a link to it, I'll put a link down below for an Amazon link. But this rib rack spice rub for chicken, man, this is delicious. Had it on some the other night I did out on the grill. Got all kinds of good flavors in it, herbs. Oh yeah. All right, got, oops, a little bit more right there. Alrighty. Get that patted down a little bit. Probably not gonna stick super good since they're frozen, but it'll stay on there. The top sides will hold on a little bit better. Let's spray them down again. And this is only gonna take us 18 minutes even with these frozen. So it's gonna be a simple cook. Cook it right after you get home from work, or just throw out some chicken, let it thaw a few minutes. You can also do this, if you're gonna do it and they weren't thawed out, I would say probably about 14-15 minutes would be good on them. And there we go. I'm gonna let the rub sit on them for a few minutes. We'll get the Instapot, get ready to throw them in. All right, got the Instapot ready. Already got the trivet in there. I'm gonna go ahead and take my 1 cup of chicken broth, just pour it right in the bottom. And we'll layer our chicken in here. Spread it out the best you can. Hopefully I'm not getting too much in the way here. Try to make enough room so they're not laying too much on each other, but alrighty. Now, like I said, you don't have to do this if you don't want, but I'm gonna go ahead and add some barbecue sauce on it. Just on the tops of each one. It also works out if you wanted barbecue sauce, just cook them without it right now, and then put them on a pan, put them in under the broiler with some barbecue sauce on them. They'll turn out great that way too. So that's all there is to it. Let's get ready to close it up, get it turned on. That's the pot's ready. Let's get the top on it. Make sure you're in the sealing position. All good there. And we will pressure cook. And we want 18 minutes. And press start. We're off to the races, folks. So I'm gonna let it go for 18 minutes, and I'll probably let it depressurize naturally for about 10. Then we'll release the rest of the steam after that. So be back when it's finished. Alrighty, we're all done. 18 minutes. Been self-releasing on its own for 10 minutes. Hey, I even said releasing properly that time. So let's go ahead and let the rest out. See how this chicken turned out. There we go, pin dropped. Depressurized. Let's open this up. Careful with it. Barbecue sauce didn't do too good on it, but it looks good. Oops. Let's pull this out and see how they are. There we go. Got a little barbecue sauce on them, but still got plenty of that rub on them. definitely all cooked all the way through there. See, that one's about to fall apart. There we go. We're gonna let these cool down a little bit. We'll give them a taste test, see how they are. Alrighty, they've been cooling down here for about 5 minutes. Let's take a little piece off of one here. See how they are. Let's try this one here. Falling apart on me. Let's see how it tastes. Definitely got the flavor of the rub on it, that's for sure. And thanks for watching. If you can, go down and click that subscribe button. It's much appreciated. Thumbs up, thumbs down, leave a comment, and we'll see you guys next time.